afternoon all. Myself P. Pravina. I am the Assistant Professor of Mathematics in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today my topic is double integral. Already explained in the previous classes, it's single integral, that is line integral form. In that line integral only we have to apply the single integral, that is with respect to either x or y or z. Now we will discuss about the double integral form. What about the double integral? Double integral means either we have to integrate with respect to xy or yz or zx in three-dimensional space. Okay, we have to integrate with respect to xy, yz or zx in three-dimensional space. That is double integral in Cartesian coordinates. Okay, then here three types are there. What is the first type? Here y1, y2. When y1, y2 are functions of x and x1, x2 are constants. When y1, y2 are functions of x and x1, x2 are constants. F of xy is first integrated with respect to y, keeping x fixed between limits y1, y2. And then the resulting expression is integrated with respect to x within the limits x1 and x2. Okay, this is the procedure for the first type. I'll discuss about the formula clearly. Okay, once you see the below formula, that is integral x2, x1, x2, x2. And integral of y is equal to pi 1x, y is equal to pi 2 of x, f of x comma y dy dx. That means here y limits, okay, y limits in terms of x. Y limits in terms of x and x limits constants. And x limits x1, x2 are constant and y limits in terms of x1, x2. That the function is f of xy dy dx. For that case, first integrate with respect to y. Okay, with respect to y. After that, integrate with respect to x. That is the first type of the double integral. When y1, y2 are functions of x and x1 and x2 are constants. For that case, first integrate f of xy with respect to y, keeping x fixed between limits y1, y2. And then the resulting expression is integrated with respect to x within the limits x1, x2. That's the first type. Next, second one. When x1, x2 are functions of y and y1, y2 are constants. Here the second case, x1, x2 are functions of y and y1, y2 are constants. For that case, f of xy is first integrated with respect to x. Okay, in that case, f of xy first integrate with respect to x, keeping y fixed within the limits x1, x2. And then resulting expression is integrated with respect to y between the limits y1 and y2. I'll explain below the formula clearly. Here once you see double integral of f of xy dx dy is equal to double integral of y is equal to y1, y is equal to y2. That means here y limits are constants. y1, y2 are constants. And x limits varies from in terms of y. That is x is equal to pi 1 of y and x is equal to pi 2 of y. And the function is f of xy dx dy. In that case, first integrate with respect to x. After that, integrate with respect to y. This is the second case in double integral. And the third case, what is the third case? Third case means that is third type. When x1, x2, y1, y2 are all constants, then formula for double integral f of x comma y dx dy is equal to, here y1, y2 and x1, x2 are constant. That means integral y1, y2, integral x1, x2, f of xy dx dy is equal to integral x1, x2, integral y1, y2, f of xy dy dx. Okay, write it as any form of that. If all x1, x2, y1, y2 are constants, for this case, here the first one is equal to second one or second one is equal to first one. These are the three types in double integral. Now I'll discuss that related questions. This is the first example. Evaluate integral 1 to 2, 1 to 3 xy square dx dy. Okay, evaluate integral 1 to 2, integral 1 to 3 xy square dx dy. Here what are the x limits and what are the y limits? Here simply x limits are here 1 to 2, 1 to 3 xy square dx dy. Here simply first integrate with respect to x means x limits are 1 to 3 and y limits are 1 to 2. Y limits are 1 to 2. According to the question, first I'll integrate with respect to x. That means I'll take integration with respect to x inside the brackets, that is integral 1 to 3 xy square dx and dy. Okay, and outside of the integration, integral 1 to 2. Now I'll integrate with respect to x means with respect to x, y square is constant, and for that case x integration is x square by 2, y square as it is, and the limits are 1 to 3, and next integral 1 to 2 dy. Again integral 1 to 2, I'll take 2 outside and y square also outside, that is y square by 2 dy, and I'll substitute x limits, upper limit and lower limit. What about upper limit here? 3. That means 3 square. 3 square means 9 minus 1. Okay, lower limit 1. That is minus 1 square. 9 minus 1 square means 9 minus 1. Okay, 9 minus 1 is equal to how much? 8 by 2. Okay, integral 1 to 2 and the remaining part y square into dy. Okay, now 2 by 8 means that is 4, integral 1 to 2 y square dy. Now it will convert each and every terms in terms of y. Now I'll integrate with respect to y. That is y square integration is 4 into y square integration y cube by 3, limits are 1 to 2. That is 4 by 3 into, after substituting upper limit in y, that is 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 minus 1 cube means 1. That is 4 by 3 into 8 minus 1. Okay, 8 minus 1 is 7. 4 7s are 28 by 3. This is the final answer. Okay, for the first question, integral 1 to 2, integral 1 to 3 xy square dx dy. Second question, integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to x y dy dx. In that question, what are the x limits and what are the y limits? What are the x limits and what are the y limits? Here once you see the first limit value 0x, it is, let us assume that is in y limits. Why? Because y is in terms of x and the remaining limits are x limits. That x limits are 0 to 2. Okay, now I'll integrate first. We integrate with respect to y, that is integral x is equal to 0 to 2, y integration is y square by 2. Y square by 2, limits are 0 to x dx. Okay, then integral x is equal to 0 to 2. Now I'll substitute upper limit, that is x square by 2 minus 0 by 2 into dx. I'll take, that is integral x is 0 to 2, x square by 2 dx. I'll take 1 by 2 outside and the remaining part 0 to 2 x square dx. Okay, now what is the integration for that? Now it will convert each and every term in terms of x and x limits are constant, that is x is equal to 0 to 2. Now integration of x square is x cube by 3. Okay, here already 1 by 2, limits are 0 to 2. Then the next step here, x cube, upper limit is 2, that is 1 by 2 into 2 cube minus 2 cube by 3 minus lower limit 0. That is 1 by 2 into 8 by 3. Okay, 8 by 3. That is, okay, here 2 4s. Therefore, the answer is 4 by 3. Okay, this is the second question answer. Okay, if the question is in terms of x and y limits, that is integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to x y dy dx, that's the final answer is 4 by 3. This is the procedure for finding any value of, okay, double integral form.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.